Hey everyone, this is Alexis from Little Hands and Big Signs, and this is my son, Marley. Since this is a painting day, we thought we would teach you how to sign paint, as well as colors and imagination. So to sign paint, all you gotta do is take one hand with your fingertips facing the ceiling and your fingers together, just like this. Then you're gonna take your other hand and envision it as a paintbrush, literally going back and forth on a beautiful canvas. Now to sign colors.
Pink.
Yep, exactly. Yep. Now to sign colors, bring one hand to your chin, just like this, with your palms open and your fingers slightly apart, and literally start tapping your chin just like this. And this represents colors in sign language. Now to sign imagination, bring both your hands up to your forehead, just like this, with your fingers slightly apart, and then you're going to literally circle them forward a couple of times. And this represents imagination. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, as well as share, and happy signing. Bye! Colors. This is colors. Yep, that's